In this video, we will highlight 5 tiny crypto altcoins that are set to explode this upcoming bull run. These 5 altcoins have the potential to multiply your investment by 120 to 300 times, potentially earning you millions. Do you want more crypto insights and a fresh perspective on the newest altcoins? Subscribe to my newsletter for free. See the link above or in the description. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first promising project we would like to highlight, called Neva Network. Neva is an EVM equivalent ZK application network that enhances scalability and security through Celestia DA and Polygon ZK EVM. Its aim is to revolutionize GameFi and streamline DeFi. Not only is Neva fast and efficient, but it also upholds high security and privacy standards for users. Thanks to Ethereum's decentralized nature, it provides a broad spectrum of entertainment options. These range from traditional casino games to innovative gaming experiences and immersive DeFi projects. What distinguishes Neva is its fusion of gambling, gaming, and decentralized finance. This unique combination improves the user experience and paves the way for new growth opportunities in the DeFi sector. Neva significantly reduces transaction costs and gas fees by over 90%, enhancing Ethereum's performance. It ensures a smooth user experience, compatible with all EVM tools and wallets, including MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and others. Neva, combining EVM equivalents with developer-friendly features, facilitates easy Ethereum integration and fosters DeFi and GameFi innovation. Its key principles include simplifying DeFi, enhancing GameFi, and involving the community through engaging GameFi experiences and governance empowerment. The Neva token is the cornerstone of the Neva platform. Its primary uses are for governance and staking, and it plays a substantial role within the Neva ecosystem. As Neva operates on Ethereum Layer 2, transaction fees are paid with ETH. What does zero-knowledge actually mean? Zero-knowledge rollups, or ZK rollups, are a technological advancement designed to improve the scalability and privacy of blockchain ecosystems. Networks like Ethereum often face scalability issues and can become congested during periods of high activity. Rollups utilize zero-knowledge proofs, a cryptographic method that allows a party to verify the accuracy of a statement without revealing any information beyond its validity. To explain, zero-knowledge proofs enable someone to prove knowledge of a fact or possession of specific data without revealing the data itself. For instance, if a person wants to demonstrate they know the solution to a complex math problem, without disclosing the solution, they can do so using zero-knowledge proofs. The prover can convince the verifier of their knowledge without providing any details about how they arrived at the solution. Zero-knowledge proofs are characterized by 3 key properties. Completeness. A valid proof will convince the verifier that the statement is true. Soundness. A false statement cannot be proven true with overwhelming probability. Zero knowledge. The verifier learns nothing beyond the validity of the statement being proved. In simple terms, the proof does not disclose any extra information about the data or computation involved. In the upcoming days, an exciting announcement about their first centralized exchange listing will be made, paving the way for more listings to come. This acts as a positive indicator, signaling that exchanges have already taken note of Neva's potential and have it firmly placed on their radar. Additionally, Neva has strategically and progressively initiated their post-launch marketing campaign. This campaign is designed to draw more attention to the project and showcase its unique features to a broader audience. The Neva ZK EVM Modular L2 testnet, a key feature of the project, is currently in the development phase as outlined in their thorough and forward-thinking roadmap. To keep the community engaged and updated, previews of this feature will be released in a gradual manner. The launch of the testnet represents a significant milestone for Neva, demonstrating the team's commitment to delivering on their promises. In anticipation of the Neva testnet launch, plans are in place to establish partnerships with reputable Web3 projects. This strategic move is designed to prepare for Neva adoption and on-chain utility, fostering a network of collaboration and mutual growth. While the project is still in its early stages, the future appears exceptionally promising for Neva. The team's dedication to their roadmap, the anticipation surrounding their testnet launch, and their strategic partnerships all point towards a bright future. Neva currently has a market cap of $2 million, A market cap of at least 600 million can be reached in a bull run. That is an astonishing 300x from here. Tiny project number 2 is called GraphLink. GLQ is a no-code protocol designed for blockchain development. It operates automatically, executing actions in response to triggered events. Essentially, GLQ utilizes its engine and an integrated development environment to offer automated services. To deploy a graph, users have to import any template or GLQ file using the IDE tool. The graph can then be run on the network using the engine tool. GLQ also enables users to access ticks and current statistics on centralized exchanges and DeFi applications. All information acquired from applications and blockchain connections is securely stored in the engine database as a safety measure. The GraphLink ecosystem consists of 2 primary components: the GraphLink chain and the GraphLink protocol. The GraphLink protocol, an automated process management solution, simplifies the deployment and management of various automation types, even for users without coding skills. This protocol encompasses 4 key components: the IDE, the app, the engine, and the marketplace. The GraphLink Integrated Development Environment, IDE, enables users to create automation through a drag-and-drop interface. It visually represents the automation process and allows users to connect different nodes to create complex automation. The GraphLink app is a user-friendly interface for accessing pre-made automation templates and deploying them with a few clicks. Users can customize these templates by updating variables and deploying the automation directly from the app. The GraphLink engine, the protocol's core component, executes automation securely and accurately. Operating on the GraphLink chain, the engine is responsible for correctly processing all data. The GraphLink Marketplace is a platform for users to trade GLQ templates and other automation types. The GraphLink chain, a blockchain designed specifically to support the GraphLink protocol, is a proof-of-authority blockchain that offers a secure and scalable platform for automation. In the future, GraphLink intends to expand its ecosystem and create a platform for more decentralized applications to operate on its chain. GLQ currently has a market cap of 25 million. GLQ is one of the best projects in the AI space, and we think that a market cap of 5 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a crazy 200x from here. Our third tiny project we would like to highlight is called RWX. RWAX represents a fresh and innovative project on the base chain platform. Crypto investors need better ways to manage risk and earn passive income in the volatile crypto markets. RWX offers the solution. Our perpetual DEX brings an endless range of real-world asset indexes to decentralized finance for the first time, allowing crypto traders to hedge against volatility and earn passive income. Now, crypto traders can finally hedge against volatility by trading perpetual contracts tied to assets uncorrelated with crypto markets. Diversify into real-world assets from real estate and commodities to AI, cannabis, and more emerging industries through community-voted indexes. With up to 50x leverage, zero price impact trades via Chainlink, you can manage risk while optimizing gains. The project is spearheaded by a founder whose identity is publicly known, adding an extra layer of transparency and trust. At this point in time, RWAX is the sole project focusing on real-world assets available on the base chain platform. The dedicated team behind RWAX is diligently working towards the release of their testnet, a significant future milestone. In terms of partnerships, the project is backed by notable names such as Plume, Truflation, and API3. These partnerships not only reinforce the project's credibility, but also demonstrate the team's capacity to forge strong, strategic connections within the industry. However, it's essential to note that this is a project with a low market cap, which naturally makes it subject to high volatility. Despite this, the recent resurgence of interest in real-world assets and the forthcoming release of the Coinbase Smart Wallet leads us to have high expectations for the potential growth and success of RWAX. Should BlackRock's Larry Fink decide to add momentum in June, it wouldn't be surprising to see a significant positive impact on the project. RWAX currently has a market cap of 3 million. We predict that RWAX will have a market cap of at least 800 million in a bull run. That is a crazy 267x from here. As our fourth project, we would like to highlight Atlas Navi. Navi app utilizes a smartphone's camera and artificial intelligence to analyze road conditions continuously, aiding drivers in avoiding traffic. The application is instrumental in transmitting vital information to other drivers. This in turn aids in the rapid alleviation of road congestion. The app is capable of processing a volume of data that is approximately 100 times more than any other navigation app currently available. This revolutionary technology is built on the robust platform provided by NVIDIA. Navi holds the distinguished title of being the world's first AI system that offers an unparalleled level of compute density, performance, and flexibility. The data center, which is a crucial component of the system, uses inferencing techniques to ingest, curate, and annotate this data. The processed data is then utilized for AI model training. Navi also features a multi-layered approach to security, which ensures that your AI enterprise has the most robust security posture. This approach covers all major hardware and software components, thus providing comprehensive protection. The app's capacity to avoid traffic congestion is superior to any other solution currently available. The application leverages cutting-edge technology such as machine learning and computer vision neural networks to interpret the road as seen by smartphone cameras. The Atlas Navi apps have already been developed for both Android and iOS, with 90% of the functionality being available. As a real utility navigation app that relies on AI analysis of video feeds from smartphone cameras, Navi had to ensure that the large amount of data generated by real-time detections of traffic functions flawlessly. Navi currently has a market cap of 15 million. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of 2.5 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a 167x from here. As our final project, we would like to highlight another RWA project called Swarm Markets. Swarm Markets presents itself as the world's first licensed DeFi platform, regulated by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. This project functions as a compliant AMM-based DEX for Ethereum, targeting both institutions and individual investors seeking a safer way to participate in DeFi. Swarm Markets supports various types of tokens, including crypto assets and tokenized real-world assets. It was an early entrant into the rapidly growing tokenized RWA segment. In 2021, the project announced it was adding up to 250 liquidity providers, who pledged $15 million. It also launched the first version of its DEX on Ethereum. As of 2024, Swarm Markets authorizes many different types of tokens for listing, including tokenized versions of stocks like Apple, Tesla, and NVIDIA. So, how does Swarm Markets operate? Automated market makers are a common feature of decentralized exchanges in the DeFi sector. Most of them, like Uniswap, Balancer, or Curve, use AMMs solely for cryptocurrencies and tokens. Swarm Markets, however, targets investors who wish to trade on-chain tokens representing a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, commodities, and more. The underlying AMM operates similarly to Balancer, with liquidity providers contributing ERC20 tokens representing crypto assets or securities to liquidity pools, where they are available for traders wanting to swap these assets. Participation in Swarm Markets requires a passport, a KYC process linked to a self-custodial crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Ledger. Swarm also offers business accounts for institutional participation and operates a permissionless, decentralized over-the-counter trading service for institutions wanting to execute large on-chain transactions. After a clarification from the European Supervisory Market Authority that the new markets and crypto assets regulation would not apply to decentralized applications and services, the project implemented DOTC orders. Due to legal restrictions, Swarm Markets is not available in all countries. It doesn't service US residents, but residents in many European, Asian, and Latin American countries are allowed. SMT currently has a market cap of 20 million. We believe that SMT has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 3 billion in the future. That is a nice 150x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.